Hi, this is Jeff with Mart. I'm a customer service rep, and I've been a nurse for over 25 years. This is a product spotlight of the Handicare Carina 350 manual-based patient lift. This is a great economy, but yet sturdy, solid lift. It's made out of steel. It only comes in at 76 pounds. With its large, oversized wheels, it makes it easy to move around. Large, ergonomic, easy-to-use handles. A very simple design patient sling, which has the locks on both sides. There are other accessories available for this if you need more width or more depth on the sling. It's a very quiet, easy to operate lift, basically one button down and one button up. This lift does have the unique ability of being able to fold up if need be. You do a couple steps you have to go through, but it's nice to know if you do want to transport it in a car, take it with you in a van or an SUV, that you can take it. Again, it's very easy to use, very easy to battery switch out. There's simply a charging cord that plugs in at the bottom. Using the foot control makes it really easy to expand open the legs or narrow them up to get through a doorway, or go back open again in order to get around a lift chair, power chair, wheelchair, etc. With the oversized ergonomic handles, it makes it really easy to move around. Easy to use sling bar with easy to use locking mechanism. Again, solid steel, but yet it comes in at 76 pounds, has the ability to fold when needed. Just a great versatile economy lift. For more information about the Carina 350 manual base, give one of our customer service reps a call here at Mart.